We've been talking about this for a while. I guess we've had quite a few conversations, and it does seem like a system that has been unsustainable for quite a long time, but it seems to have continued as people have kept the faith in it. So I think, what is the colours that we need to see? Why haven't we seen potentially that loss of faith in the near term that we needed for something to sort of collapse?
I think it's the sheer power of America on the global stage. I mean, nobody would say boo to a goose, because they know that if they criticize America, then they're likely to have a regime change, and the existing regime is not going to want that. So they just keep quiet. And that this actually describes virtually the whole world. America and her allies, as it were, their population numbers just over 1 billion. I think I worked it out the other day, about 1.12 billion on official figures anyway. But that is out of a total of 8 billion. If you look at the Shanghai Cooperation Organization membership plus BRICS, that's 60% of the world's population. I mean, we are in a small minority, and the rest of the world is industrializing quite rapidly. The rest of the world is moving on, leaving us behind, and it's not going to want our currencies either.